What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian on day 2 of this Bimini trip. Now, look how beautiful it is out here. We didn't get the ocean view, but we still got a balcony and it feels so nice outside. Our plan for the day is to go to a local spot for breakfast, take the golf cart out, hit the town, and come back, and then we're gonna go on our jet skis to go to the sunken ship and Harbor Cay Island. All right, so they're calling me now. Let's hurry up and go. Hey, slowpokes, hurry up. All right, so we're done with breakfast. Breakfast was delicious. I had the whole snapper plus this with the pancakes, eggs, and toast and grits. And y'all need to check out that place. That is Three Daughters. They have really good food, breakfast and lunch. You can also let them know ahead of time if you have a big group and you need a bigger table. As you can see, the marina is right behind me, and we're just waiting to get iced, and then we're off to the sunken ship and Honeymoon Harbor. Skis look good. They don't look too beat up or anything. We're gonna go get fuel a little bit downways, about $5 a gallon. So we will see what they have.
Sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing man, the skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour. But when they started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship's aground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle, with Gilligan, the skipper too, a millionaire and his wife, the movie star, the professor and Mary Ann, here on Gilligan's Island.
Karina's like freaking out. You gotta tell her, show her the ways. She'll be fine. If she was on her own ski, she'd be like, woohoo! Woo!
No, I'd be turning around. No, it's not so bad out here, but over there it was.
It's over there, it's just breaking. That's what. Wait, hold on. we turned around. It got a little chop, just like big waves hitting here, big waves hitting there. It was crazy, but it was still fun. But we would have lost the passenger. It doesn't matter.